Good morning, Don Wede here. June 30th, 2023. Heading out right now to the greater Chicagoland area. Actually, I'm heading out to Aurora, Illinois. This is Don Wede with Heartland Funding, Inc. Heartland buys houses. You can check out our website at www.heartlandbuyshouses.com. And why am I going to Aurora today? Well, we try to solve real estate problems. I had an inquiry on our website, followed up with a phone call, and made an appointment to go look at a house in Aurora. It's a vacant house. It's an inherited piece of real estate, and the heirs don't want to deal with it. It's pretty much in disrepair. Needs a full gut job, kitchens, baths, floors, possibly roof. So it's in rough shape. They don't live in the area anywhere close, so they need to solve this problem, get rid of the real estate. It's not one of those properties that would easily list because of the condition it's in. It's full of junk, and they're kind of embarrassed also about having the typical realtor show it. So I understand that. We deal with a lot of properties like this where, it doesn't fit the typical mold of a retail deal. We call them wholesale deals. We basically buy fringe properties. I tell people every single day, if you got a nice house in a nice neighborhood, there's no reason in the world you should sell to us. We buy them, but we're an investor-driven company. We turn right around and sell these to investors at our closing that fix them up and flip them, or fix them up and re-rent them. I don't like to make up stories or tell people something that's not true. We're an investor-driven company. I do not go in there, and my crews do not go in there and fix them up, but we do flip them immediately to investors that will be doing that, fixing them up and re-renting them, fixing them up and renting them, or fixing them up and selling them for a profit. So when you've got two entities in there that has to make money, and of course if an investor wants to buy something, they need to have a healthy profit in there for their time, effort, their outlay of money, and their crews and their expenses. It's, to make money, they have to buy it at a discount, and I've got to make a little profit. So typical deals that would sell retail should be sold retail, but in this case, it's definitely one that we will help them out with. We'll give them a fair offer on the property after I walk the property, tell them exactly what I can pay for it, and hopefully we can help them out. If we can help you out, please give me a call. 1-800-255-8250 is the office number. My name is Don Wede with Heartland Funding, Inc. Once again, the website is www.heartlandbuyshouses.com. Okay, signing off here. Get ready to head out to the greater Chicagoland area. Thanks for watching this video.